Alright, well, all of you may know, whoever lives in Northeast got a lot of snow. Oh, hold up, got a text message. Yeah, so, you live in Northeast, you got a lot of snow. Let's check out MSNBC.com to see what they gotta say about this. Records falling as blizzard pummels east. Ooh, baby. Let's see. How many inches did we get for this to load up? Fucking computer. Let's see. Breaks record for total snowfall of 54.9 inches. Jeez. Almost as big as my dick. Yeah. It's a lot of snow, man. It's a lot of snow. Alright, here's the MSNBC page. Fresh blizzard pummels East Coast. Gotta fuck her up in skis. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, I got it right there. Let's see what else we got here. Got a nice car buried in the snow. Guy looks pretty pissed. And then we got a nice ad for big blackout muscles and the old lady with wrinkles. Let's see if we got any more pictures on here for you guys. You want to see the video of the guy at the skis? I'll show you it. Here we go. It's launching. Yeah, good evening, Peter Jennings, you fuck up. Look at this shit. Damn. Rockefeller's Plaza just getting dick slapped. I want to see the guy skiing. Who wants to see the guy skiing? Action shot right there. What a retard. Around. Oh yeah, fuck you, cheerleaders. No Florida for you. Where's the guy? I can't even find the guy in the skis. Where's the guy in the skis, man? Yeah, I'm done. I'm done with this video.